Guys, I want to show you these Harbor Freight instant savings deals. Now these are going to be up to 57% off, so some pretty good deals. These are right above their clearance deals, and these are going to be good through June 5th. So 6/5, these deals are going to be good through then. Now I want to show you these. Now starting off, we have this Grant's Mechanics shop towel set. It's a 14-inch by 13-inch 50-pack, so you're getting a lot of these shop towels. Just something you might need to throw away if you're doing a lot of cleaning in your shop. This is going to be $11.99. You're saving 14%. It was $13.99. Next, from Storehouse are these self-drilling screw assortment screws. This is a 200-piece set. Now these are for sheet metal. So these are, you don't need pilot holes with these. You can just go at it with these, and these are great for appliances. Maybe some appliances are faulty. You need an extra hole, something to secure an extra metal panel on. This is all the screws that you're getting. You're going to want some in your toolbox anyway, at least for wood screws, and it doesn't hurt to have some of these at $7.99 as well. Now this is a 12-foot by 20-foot silver and black extreme duty weather resistant tarp. This is going to be $39.99. You're saving 11%. And now with this you're getting dual protection. So from extreme elements, both sides block light, but the silver side is going to be reflecting heat as well. So that silver side you're going to want to face out, whereas the black side will face in to help with the light. Next, from Kenway, you've got these 12-volt LED trailer light kit. This is going to be $37.99. You're saving 11%. It was $42, and these are long-lasting LED trailer lights here. From Merlin, next, you're getting this 3/8 of an inch by 50-foot rubber air hose. And again, this is an instant savings deal, so it's not time limited as long as you get it before 6/5. And this is going to be $22.99. This is an 8% savings for all your pneumatic devices. Next, from Pittsburgh, this is a 3/8 of an inch, 1/2-inch drive metric hex socket set. This is going to be a 9-piece set. And they had those high visibility markings, so you can just grab one, pick it up without having to put your glasses on at $13.49 at 10% off. Now from Pittsburgh, this is a 1/2-inch drive SAE impact socket set. It's a 13-piece set. It's $16.99. You're saving 15%. And these are built to last, they're saying, in SAE as well as metric. Now from Hallmaster, next you're getting this 3,300 pound capacity 2-inch by 27-foot ratcheting tie down. So definitely a heavy duty tie down here at $12.99. You're going to be saving 23%. The original price was $16.99, and these are nice if you want to secure some large cargo in your truck. From Midwest Can is a small gas can. Nothing much to say here. It's $16.49. This is designed for safety when storing and transporting gas. Now Pittsburgh has these 1/2-inch drive star bit socket sets. So this is a 9-piece set with those little star bits. And again, with these are Hi-vis markings. Now from Maddox, they have these mini fuel injection style hose clamps. This is a 40-piece set. And these are non-perforated rolled edge bands for uniform sealing. These are going to come in at $5.99. You're saving about 7%. Nothing crazy, but the pre-price was $6.49. And you're getting everything pictured here. Next, from Storehouse, these are some hose clamps. They say they're for automotive. This is a 40-piece set at $5.99, which is 7% off. But I can see you using these for all different applications. We have some of these below our sink, actually, just holding the little hose that goes into our garbage disposal. So you can use them for all different things. Next is this 36-inch pickup and reach tool. This is only $189. So you can extend your reach here. 36% off, so that's a pretty decent deal. Be careful if you're using it to get things down from the shelf, like in this picture what this lady's doing. Or if you need to bend over, that's going to be a little easier to use it for and a little bit safer as well. So $189, decent deal on this instant savings here. From Pittsburgh, next is this 3/8 of an inch drive metric hex socket set. It's a 6-piece set. It's $6.99. And again, these have the high visibility markings, so you can just grab and go. You don't need your glasses to find them. And from Voyager, this is a 12-inch tool tote with 18 pockets. This is going to be $9.99. You're saving 9%. So you can see all the different things you can fit in here. They've got like a drill. And I think in a minute they're going to show like the hammer with the different wrenches lining the inside and the tools on the outside. This is a 9x12 foot canvas drop cloth at $12.99. And this is great, obviously, if you're protecting your floors, you're doing a lot of painting. Coming into spring season, people are going to be painting a lot, and you can use this for your job, so it might be helpful. Next from Drummond is this 3/4 horsepower submersible utility pump. This is a stainless steel 4400 GPH utility pump at $179. It was $189. You're saving $10 here. So the ranges on these are just all over the place. You'll be saving 5% all the way to 57% with these savings. From Meguiar's next is this 32-ounce Mirror Glaze Pro Speed compound at $27.99. You're saving 6% here. And this is a fast cutting compound that introduces new tech for easy removal of sanding marks and other marks. Now from Voyager, this is a 12-inch tool bag with 21 pockets. The difference here is this is about half price as the one that we just showed you, but you don't get that kind of rigid handle up top. It's just a regular fabric handle. But as long as you're fine with this is fine for just little small DIY jobs. And it does have 21 pockets as well to put different items in, which is pretty nice. So zips up as well, as you can see in this picture. You can put everything on the inside if you don't want to mess with things on the outside, things falling out. And you can still use it this way. It's going to be $3.99. Next from Franklin is this 40-inch by 50-inch moving blanket. This is going to be $3.99. If you're moving soon, this is a great thing to use for furniture. You can use it for TVs, mirrors. You definitely want a few of these around. And what you do is you just put these on, apply some packaging tape. You can use duct tape around it as well. And that way you can just not worry about them getting scratched up or even broken if it's the case with glass. So if you do find value, guys, in these videos, go ahead and leave a like and a comment down below. Next from Hardy, you're getting these full grain cowhide leather work gloves. Now these come in medium, large, or extra large. This is going to be $4.99. You're saving $2 here, or 28%. And these offer all-around protection, they're saying, against abrasion as well as punctures. Speaking of punctures, this is a Pittsburgh tubeless tire repair kit. It's a 9-piece kit for $5.99. You're saving 11% here. You're getting all the different tools, the stuffers, the epoxy, and the cutoff tools as well. So this just might be great to have in your car for emergencies, as well as a tire inflator. From Hardy, again, you're getting these high visibility polyurethane coated work gloves. These are in large, medium, or extra large, and these are only $1.99, a savings of 20%. And these are going to provide safety for you, as well as that non-slip grip with the polyurethane. Next from Hercules, you're getting these 4.5-inch by 1/16 by 7/8 inches Type 141 metal cutoff wheels. This is a 10-pack for $9.99. And these provide 2 times longer life with that Hercules name here. And keep in mind to also take advantage of their super coupon deals. Next from Hallmaster, you've got these 500-pound capacity 1 by 15 foot ratcheting tie downs, or 1 inch by 15 foot. Now this comes in a 4-pack, so you're going to get a few of them to load up your truck if you're taking things around, moving things. This is going to be $10.99, which is 26% off. Now we've got an Icon tool for 3/8 of an inch. This is a 3/8 inch drive, 20 to 100 foot professional clip torque wrench. This is going to be $99 or $99.99. It was $109.99. So you're saving $10. It does come with a little case here. And this is going to deliver precise accuracy for perfect bolt downs. For Vanguard, you're going to get this extension cord. This is a 10-foot 16-gauge extension cord for $5.99. 14% off. It was $6.99. Now from Pittsburgh, you get these SAE and metric long reach hex key sets. This is a 36-piece set for $6.99, and it's just really nice. You always want a set of these in your toolbox or workbox, just because you always need them to, whether it's plumbing, tightening things up, or installing things as well. Now this is a smaller tarp, like the one I showed you earlier was $39, I believe. This is going to be $7.99. This is a 6-foot by 8-foot silver and black extreme duty weather resistant tarp. Now just remember, the black is going to be heat resistant, but the silver is going to be UV resistant, I believe. Now from Grants, you've got these microfiber cleaning cloths. These are 12 inches by 12 inches, and it's a 12-pack. So a pretty large microfiber cloth. These would be great for automotive work. Just keeping them in your car, in your garage. Spring is coming up, perfect time to be detailing your car. So this is a nice pickup at $3.99. at 33% off was $5.99. Now next up from Grant's is this extreme foaming spray gun. Now this is $14.99, it's 25% off. And all you do here is just, you hook it up to your garden hose. They're saying it's frequently bought together with the Meguiar's Gold Class cleaner you can see down the bottom right. So you just park your car in your driveway, foam it up, rub it down, and then spray it off, and you're good to go. So with the nice weather we've been having, it'd be a nice time to do that. And again, this is 25% off. It was $19.99. It's now gonna be $14.99. So pretty decent deal here. And it's not high powered, it's just powered by your hose, so it's not super powerful there. And again, guys, remember, these are super savings, instant savings, sorry, up to 57% off, and these are good through 6/5. So you've got a whole month to buy these in case you want to pick these up. So good deals are not the super coupons, but still good buys.